Today, we'll take a deep dive into statistical significance, p-values, and all the numbers that you need to know to run your conversion optimization practice. If math is not your thing, this may not be the video for you, and we'll get you next time. Okay, now that those people are gone, I'm just talking to you, the ones that know math and like to talk about how they know math. Here's a little secret. The people you work for, the people that you rely on for funding, for a job, for your bonus, and to be excited about what you do, they hate math. They hate that you make them think about math. They hated math since they took trigonometry in high school, and they were annoyed that in college they had to take a math prerequisite, and they never want to think about it again. When you go into their office or go into a meeting and talk about your conversion optimization program, you need to talk to them in terms that they like and that they understand. And what that means is you need to take half your brain, you need to put it away, and you need to talk in general business terms. We know you're smart, your parents know you're smart, we're all very proud of you. But if you want people marching behind you and you want people to be excited about what you do, you need to talk to them in terms that they understand. I put a few examples below to illustrate what it is I'm talking about. So if you look on the left side, if you went into a room with general senior leadership and CMOs and brand marketing and you said, we have high confidence that this test will improve revenue, you will be killing it. That's all the detail you need. If you go in the room and you say, guess what? This test improved revenue by 0.62% with 92% statistical significance. You've now introduced two terms that they don't like. Number one, a percentage. General people don't understand what percentage means. And when they don't understand something, they think maybe you're being devious. So when you say something improves revenue by 0.62%, they don't know what that means. And then when you say 92% statistical significance, you really don't know what that means. You've now lost the room. Similarly, if you go in and you say, we had 150 more transactions during the test period, over a full year, that could mean as many as 3,000 additional transactions. You're going to have a good day. Conversely, if you go in and you say the test variance showed a 0.45% lift over control using a p-value of, you know what, I'm bored myself. I don't even want to talk to the rest of the line. You get the idea. Talk to people in terms that they can understand, and they will appreciate what you do. Now, I've met a lot of you all. I know that it's not easy for you to shut that part of your brain off and talk to people in plain language. So here's a tip. Go to your favorite AI tool, whatever it is that you like to talk to. Put in your bullets and say, I would like to explain this to a ninth grader. See what it says. Take that out, play it back. Mom and dad, your spouse, anyone that maybe isn't at your level of mathematics understanding. If they understand what you're talking about, if they're picking up what you're putting down, you're in the right place. Use the AI tool to translate from your genius mathematical brain to the brain of everybody else. That's my tip for today. Have a great day. See you soon.